Decision Plus has been and still is a leading stock market service provider. From training to coaching, we cover it all. Try both our software as well as our coaching site, completely free for 10 days without obligation. No credit card is needed to sign up for the trial. The trial subscription will be automatically canceled for you at the end. DecisionPlus.com, your stock market service center. Real-time coaching has been created. We search and classify critical reports and technical movements. You can visualize or hear the best buying and selling opportunities. Get real-time advice all day long and 3 live coaching shows per day. Let us do the work and save your time for trading. Try marketgurus.tv free without obligation for 10 days in the menus above. Market Vision Plus is the trading companion of so many investors. Make your fundamental and technical analysis easy with Canada's #1 stock market decision-making software. Research, decide, and follow your positions with Market Vision Plus. See the menus just above this program and try Market Vision Plus for 10 days without any obligation after the show. When it comes to day trading, Trader Plus is the right tool. Track 50 quotes simultaneously. Create dozens of quick lists. Display as many as 30 real-time intraday charts at the same time. Watch the action with candlesticks or bar charts as fast as 10 seconds. See the market by sectors. Use the chart models already prepared for you. Try Trader Plus for 10 days in the menu above without any obligation.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the Swing Trading Show. Wednesday, July 17, 2019. The markets are quite lazy again today, even boring. Not much. At least we had some movement this morning from still from the silver stock and also the gold stock. When the market plunged back this morning, it's the gold that took off right here since this morning. It's flat right now, and the stock too. But we have had a quite nice movement in the morning. A few breakout over there, so we'll be looking at it in a second. So for the moment, we had a few financial statements on banks. Bank of America 71 to 74, not breaking out. Bank of New York Mellon, it pushed up a little bit too, 96 to 101. U.S. Bank Corp 107 to $1, and it's the only one that broke out, but there's no continuity on the movement. And United Airlines keeps going up since its breakout yesterday, 409 to 421. Textron 86 to 93. So it's a good result, but probably the forecasts that are not good. Abbott Laboratories is also breaking out with no continuity there, 80 to 82. CSX 111 to 108, and the stock is plunging. Forget about the news of Qualcomm. It's not important, and the one on Restaurant Brand too, neither. It's not interesting. It's just because yesterday Blue Heron have had the Beyond Meat to their menu, so Restaurant Brand has decided to sell the same type of meat within its menu too. So that's the only thing. And then also the President Trump said they are now he says that they are far away from an agreement with China, and if it doesn't work, so he's ready to add another 325 billion tariff on some Chinese product. They haven't mentioned which one. And you see, look at the market are quite flat at the moment, a little bit down, nothing major. It's 0.2% or 0.1% in this area, depending on the market. So Nasdaq is at about the zero line. We haven't had any answers yet about the big technology that are looking after in the States. So they have no result yet. They haven't said anything. So it's probably just the reason why the most of the technology stock were going down, but nothing very heavy. And the TSX is also coming back at the moment. Look, it's the industrial sector that keeps going down today. And now consumer discretionary seems like it's going to break down, but there's not much activity besides the gold and the silver. If you look at this here, the silver went up yesterday and today, while the gold went up only today. And but the movement is a nice movement from the gold price of gold, and also from the gold stock. And but it's flattening right now. Really going sideways, so it doesn't look like we're gonna have some more movement on the day today. We had some excitement in the cannabis today, but just intraday wise, because look, wheat is topping here at 47.75, and most of the stocks are in the same condition. Only VFF is continuing a little bit right now. So I think the market got excited because one company on OTCBB bought another cannabis company that is private, and also Fire, one of the Canadian company, has bought a small company in Europe for 20 million or something like that. So Supreme should have gone down because they're getting some money out, and it went up. So because it only had followed the movement of the market itself, which is still a rebound within a downtrend. So it's not the proper moment to embark in the cannabis. And at this point in time, it seems like Nasdaq refuses to come positive. But I mean, there's no big movement either up or down besides the gold. And let me go with you through a bunch of signals that we had today, see what we can find in there. It's actually really a sideways market. So let me check. Not this one, not like this, but like this. So we have quite a few signals, but in most cases they're all in the materials, and so they are gold and silver stocks. So in mostly, so you see silver, gold. So it all looks like this. So they're all the same type of signal. Endeavor, Mandalay Resources, Western has not continued its movement, so it came right back. But you also have Oceana Gold, Alamos Gold, which was one of the nicest signal today. London Gold is nice too. The volume is not big though on that stock. I mostly prefer Alamos Gold. And Yamana Gold is breaking out, Alio Gold, and then Perseus Gold, and Go Gold. There's quite a few. And Pretium also has a very nice movement today. Within the other market, let's check that out here. Let's see. Venture 5 movement, but 5 some in the gold. Namaste, it's been shown as a breakout, but it's so little, it's so fragile, it's not recommendable. VR Resources, I don't know what's going on with this. I just seen it. Okay, so it's done for the day anyway, so it's stopped at 25. And I don't know the reason for that. And the next move up is at 28.29 cents. And Silvercrest, so it's a nice movement also from Silvercrest because it's passing a very significant resistance. And also Horizon Gold, the volume. I don't like the volume much. K92 mining is not bad too. So on Venture, K99 and Silvercrest are the best movement. Silvercrest is just that has made 12%, but it's showing that the stock is stronger than the other one. So now let's see on some other market like the Nasdaq market, the 13 breakout on Nasdaq. We have QSSR, Neurostem. I don't think there's enough potential in there. I'm looking for the best movement. Stonico Limited. If the volume would have been greater, I would have liked the signal, but the volume did not pick up too much. So far, actually, the best signal he's got this morning was here, and now the signal is kind of over. So the new signal is past the 26.30 cents. This one here looks nice, but look, there's too much resistance. It's not going to pass. Maycom Technology has a too small volume. So you have the odds signal today. One of the best here at 6%. It looks very good on daily charts, but on the weekly chart, I mean, it's pretty hazardous to buy the signal at this point in time. Such a big resistance right there. So the good quality signal are pretty rare. Just a couple. And Cintas there, I think it's a financial earnings, so it's not recommendable. We have a big problem finding a real nice breakout that are not provoked by their earnings or something like that. So, and for all of those other sectors, all sectors are still neutral. There's no bullish momentum on any other sector than the gold and the silver. But then the gold movement started today, but the silver started yesterday. So now it's getting too late to embark in the silver sector, but still could be positive in the gold whenever we see a continuity on the gold sector. For all the rest, I mean, the sectors are under correction. It looks like they're going to break down. Look at the industrials as they raised all yesterday's quote. So it's not going to pass the famous resistance. So now there could be some more correction pending somewhere. So I have no question there. So that's all I had to show you today. So thank you very much for attending. We'll see you next time.